everybody? It's first time rail fanning. I'm here with the DMV and Flight Productions. And there's a CXS like power move, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, we're here with Intel and JJ 5410.
Hello guys. Second CXS of my life right here.
Actually third because remember we saw the L150.
Okay, yeah. The N150 and L150 was
Oh wait.
fast.
Dude, wait, that's not power move.
What?
Dude, that's M416.
You better turn that!
That's not even power move.
Is it M416?
Dude, that's not. Wait, that better be a CXS.
That's a CXS.
It is. Yep.
Whoa.
Alright, what's up, guys? We got CXS I-135. Oh, yeah, I think so.
Here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my God!
That's your rarest catch, Anthony. Your first rarest catch.
Let's go. Yo.
You still have a chance.
I know. Oh my gosh.
Oh, never mind.
What the?
Wait, never mind.
M416
Yeah.
CSX. M416.
This is crazy.
God. Yo. This is awesome.
Mixed freight.
Wow. Look at the graffiti art. Dude. It's a long train.
Those are new cars, by the way.
Oh, new cars
Oh,
getting
oh my
shipped?
God. Oh my God. Did you see what that said?
Yeah! Oh my God!
That's new.
What on earth? What is this?
What type of graffiti is this?
I know! Is that a heart?
Bro, like this guy.
Whoa! That's cool!
These types of graffiti are saying weird things.
I know. What on
I'm not gonna
earth?
lie, that one looks kind of nice.
Oh wow! Happy Easter! I think this is from Easter. Year 2022.
Adam, remember guys, Christmas is coming soon. So, and Thanksgiving, so they might make graffitis on that too.
Yeah. Rolls. I keep seeing rolls. Wow, that's cool. Oh, so is that one.
Bruh, nah.
Slave? What the heck? That is not cool, bro.
Yo,
What on earth?
Witness.
What did we just witness? This is a weird CSX M16.
M416.
M416, bro. What on earth?
What the heck? Oh my God. You are crazy nowadays.
I know. Tricks, whatever that thing said. Hooks? Caps? What are these things saying?
Track two.
Another CSX?
This is the same one. This is track one with the
Oh, that's a cool. That's that doggy. They look like. What the? Five? What? No, bro. I
What?
just saw.
What? No way.
I know. Oh my gosh, you can really feel the wind now. You can really feel the wind. Oh my God, this is such a long train. Imagine these people are trying to get to work right now when it's so long they can't. I know. Toilet. Why did it say toilet? What the heck? Oh, look at that. This graffiti art is crazy. Oh, it looked there. There goes like one of those big towers.
M416 heading to Brunswick.
Yeah, Brunswick. Well, that to you guys was CXS M416.
Oh yeah.
What a crazy graffiti art and what a crazy train.